What's up, everybody? Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault, and today we're going up Masada in Israel, so stay tuned. So as you can see, we're taking the snake path, and the snake path is one of two trails, but it's the main trail that you take to go up the mountain. That's the Dead Sea over there. And we're gonna go up this way. They do have a cable car here too, in case you don't want to do the walk. So just for history, this is the same path that the Jews took when they were escaping the Romans. They came up here and they chose suicide over being enslaved. So you probably know the story. This is the actual mountain that we're climbing and doing the same walk that they did. Almost there. So if you are going to do this hike, there are some pretty steep portions of it, but it's still fun.
You want to take it?
Sure.
A photo?
Well, we made it. What do you guys think?
Yeah, it was fun.
Woohoo! It was amazing.
Yeah, a lot of fun. A lot of fun.
Yep.
Not too hot.
Not too hot. Little hot.
And highly recommended. That's actually the best way to climb up Masada. There's the lazy path by taking a cable car, which will take you 2 minutes. But this one is no longer than 45 minutes in total, and so enjoyable.
Actually, just to clarify, 36 minutes.
Oh, wow. There you go.
36 minutes.
There you go.
So now we're going to go check out Herod's temple that's on the top of the mountain here. So you notice there's a black line all throughout this area. And what those black lines are is underneath that black line is the actual excavation point where is the original. And then the part that's above it has been reconstructed, but it's been reconstructed with original rocks that were there that probably just fell down. To the Northern Palace. I'm glad they have these railings up here. That's the Northern Palace.
Yes. This is one of 8 Roman camps. That's the headquarters.
Oh,
of
it's
the
a Roman camp over there.
That's the headquarters of the Roman camp. We're coming over to our second story that happened in the year 73. Okay, I'm not talking yet about the period of time that it took the Romans to throw a siege, which might surprise you because it's much shorter than what most people would even think.
This is what the temple looked like when it was back in the day. This is what the palace looked like. Again, another portion of it, this Northern Palace of Herod.
Herod, being a descendant of a Nabatean princess, those people who were the nomad people of the desert, knew the secret of irrigated water.
Some awesome views up here of Dead Sea out there. We're gonna take the cable car down. We walked up, but we're gonna take the cable car down.
Because we're hungry.
Yeah, we gotta go eat lunch. Well, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions about this or have any other suggestions on what to see when you're here, leave them in the comments below. That would be awesome because we can all learn from each other. And if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and that way YouTube knows to push it out to other people who can benefit from it. And if you know anybody who can use YouTube videos like this one, make sure you share the channel and the video with them so they can join in on all the fun. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring the bell notification, and that way you'll be notified every time I put out a healthy living video. And for more tips on how to live a happy, healthy life, 2 videos are going to pop up any moment, and you can click on any of those videos and you can continue your happy, healthy living journey. And I will see you all next time.